All right, guys, 2013 Chevy Camaro 6.2 liter SS. So do we go because it's SS?
Yes.
Yes. Anyways, long tube headers. There. He's gonna put a cam. He's gonna do a lot of things to this car. So hopefully I'll bring it back when it's done so we can hear it with its true potential. Long tube headers, right there and right there. High flow cats, there and there. Then, as you guys can see, Corsa Extreme. We just finished installing it. We took off our straight pipe system right there and replaced it with a Corsa Extreme because he's gonna build it. Got an X pipe right there, all 3-inch, all the way back, bolt on, and we always tack it because the clamps sometimes loosen up from too much power. That's why we tack them. As you guys can see, it's recommended anyways. So all the way back, 3-inch, and then there's the Corsa Extreme mufflers there and there, and he's got these sexy side tips, quads. I love it. They came out looking really nice on this car. Black chrome there and there. Full kit, we'll have a link in the description for it, guys. Here's the box and the part number on it. So if you guys want this kit, there'll be a link in the description if we can find you one. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, good old Music City, USA. So if you're in the area, come say hi or come get some work done, either or. And like I said, that's the old system right there that we did on it, all the way back. It's a nice system, but he just wanted something different. That's what we do. We'll do something different for him. There it is, all the way back. And now he's got a Corsa system. So like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Let it warm up a little bit. That's it. Corsa never disappoints. Wow, that sounds so good. Again? 123, bro. Imagine when you do the cam and stuff, it'd be like in the 130s. That is crazy. Vibrating in my ears, guys. Wow. Believe me, the camera don't give it no justice. I promise you that. In person, it sounds so much meaner. She's clean too. It sounds really clean. Corsa Extreme, eh? Stuck them out a little bit for him so they look clean, like you actually know that it's a Corsa performance system. You guys see that? I always stick them out just a hair, not too much. From the side they look good too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy SS. That's from now on, any SS we gotta go. Full Corsa Extreme system, cat bag. Long tube headers, high flow cats. It sounds so good.